Hello dear friends, I'm Puya and this is the Crypto Earner channel. In this channel, I introduce best and latest crypto games and projects. Today I want to introduce another free-to-play to earn game that is, in my opinion, is one of the best AAA crypto games in 2023. Magic Craft. Let's go further and check how to install and register in the game and how to earn money from this game. To install this game, you must go to its website, magiccraft.io. You can download the latest version for PC, Android, or iOS. After downloading the game, you must register in the game so you can earn money from it. To register, you must go to this address, lobby.magiccraft.io/register. You must fill this form, enter your first name, last name, username, birthday, and give it an email address. At last, you must connect your crypto wallet. I recommend MetaMask. If you are using PC, you must download and set up MetaMask wallet before registering. After installing MetaMask, you must click on the connect button. Then a confirmation message will be appeared. You must sign it and your registration will be completed. After registration, you must log into your account. Enter this URL, lobby.magiccraft.io, and then log in to your account. I'm logged in now. To earn money from this game, you have two options, free plan and VIP plan. If you want to earn money from this game without investing, you can join hourly free lobbies. This game has 24 free lobbies per day, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and so on. You can join all of hourly free lobbies. You must join just on time. Just 20 players can join hourly free lobbies, and if you delay a little, you can't join the lobby. So join the lobby just on time, and after joining, click on join as player and then select your hero and click on ready button. After that, you must run the game. A message will be appear that asks you want to join. You must click on the join button and join the game. Okay, for now let's see the gameplay. I'll be back. Okay, we won the game and I awarded MVP player. Not so bad. I think I'm good at this game. Another important thing that I must say, if you win the game, you will be rewarded 50 MCRT token, which is the native token of this game. At the time of the video recording, every 50 MCRT token worth 15 cents, which is not so bad for a free-to-play game. If you lose the game, you will be rewarded nothing. And this game has hourly VIP lobbies too. In VIP lobbies, you can earn 250 MCRT tokens per win. That is 5 times more than the free lobby. But to join VIP lobbies, you must buy an NFT or 100,000 tokens of the game. But I don't give you any financial advice. Okay, these were the basics of the Magic Craft game. I will create another video to show you how to exchange your MCRT token to BNB coin or USDT or anything you want. At last, I want to say, if you are interested in making money from crypto games and projects, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any project. If you have any suggestion, please write me in the comments, and if this video was useful for you, please like it. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.